My name is Chelsea, and today we will learn two new idioms that talks about perseverance.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Helen。今天我和 Chelsea 会教大家两个新的成语，是关于毅力的，希望大家喜欢，谢谢。
I'm sure you've seen this slide before in 夸父追日. 夸父追日 talks about perseverance. Today we will learn two new idioms that talks about perseverance. I don't know if you guys went to Capilano Suspension Bridge, Vancouver, Canada. At the park, there's a place by the years of erosion by water. This is the stone, and this is the water. This is 50 years of erosion by water. Can you see how deep the gutter is? This is 25 years of erosion by water. This is the gutter. There's a Chinese idiom that can describe this picture. 水滴石穿. We just learned 水 and 石. 水滴石穿 means dripping water wears through a stone. It means that constant efforts bring success. I believe you understand 水滴石穿 from the picture. Example, without 水滴石穿 effort, it would be impossible to finish this book.
没有水滴石穿的功夫，是不可能写完这本书的。
Another Chinese idiom, 日积月累, also talks about perseverance. We learned 日 means sun, another meaning day. 月 means moon, another meaning month. 日积月累 means accumulate over a long period of time, or little by little. Remember the picture of 25 years of erosion by water? It's little by little, day by day, month by month, year by year. Example, his Chinese is so fluent because of 日积月累 study.
他的中文这样流利，是日积月累学习的结果。
We learned
夸父追日，水滴石穿，日积月累。
It talks about the grit, perseverance. I hope you like this video and continue to support. Bye bye!
谢谢，再见。